Ano talaga ito, kaya nasa likod niya ako. So as we know naman po, yung PIDS is the research think tank ng Philippines. So yung question ko dapat, since na-mention na rin ni Jerry yung mga other interventions, so na-discuss na natin yung screening, the service delivery. Meron po kung parang mga naging studies na si PIDS that looked into these kinds of interventions related to NCBs.
Okay, so medyo mahabang and we also health promotion bureau before to really like map out ano ba yung parang tinatawag na best life, ano ba yung mga cost-effective interventions, no? Yung sinasabi kanina na individual level like yung PhilPen, yung primary care, etc. is at the individual level yun, no? Pero mas may magagawa pa tayo which is yung mga population level type of intervention. Like for example, reformulation or i-mandate na mas mababa yung salt, etc. So those are population level type of intervention, meaning hindi isa-isa yung intervention kada tao, but really a population-based intervention. Another one is really informing the public about the availability or about the nutrient component of the or nutrition component of the products, right? So it's basically informing the public about the nutrition component. So yun, I think kailangan natin i-distinguish yung population type of intervention and the individual-based type of interventions, which is, we can see that at the primary care level, or sa mga RHUs, sa mga BHS, no? But I think yung critical now is, ano pwede natin gawin at the population level? Yung reformulation, informing the public, because if you look at evidence, no, ito yung talagang pinaka-cost effective, no? Reformulation, providing the public with the necessary information. So, to answer your question, Chino, yun yung mga cost-effective intervention. And many countries have already moved into this type of interventions, no? Na hindi sa RHU, hindi sa BHS, but really the government is, creating a policy that will change the supply and demand of healthy food, no? So I don't know if I answer your question, but I think we can, baka doon tayo mag-focus, no? Ano yung mga population type of intervention na kailangan natin gawin? Because yung individual-based intervention, andun na yung primary care ng PhilHealth, yung yakap, andun na yung PhilPen, etc. Pero yung kulang sa atin is yung population type of intervention, right? Hindi masyadong strengthened yun, no? And the role of the Health Promotion Bureau, DOH as a standard setting, and helping shape appropriate population-based interventions are critical in this aspect, no? So I just want to really drive into the population-based intervention because that's the, I think, kulang. We will try to map up. We'll benchmark it to other countries. I don't know if I answered your question.
Yeah. Thank you, Doc.